I'm Madonna from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I wanted to do an intro video. Some of you know who I am, but there's a lot of new faces out there, so I wanted to do an intro video, let you know who I am and what I do and why I do it. I am Madonna Ludlow. I am from a little town in Nephi, Utah, and I love what I do. I've been doing a YouTube channel for hairstyles. I love to share my love with hair. I have loved hair since I was tiny, and it just makes me feel happy when I can help others feel good. So that is the main reason why I do hair, is because I love it. I've loved it since I was super young. I started hair school back in '98, and I've been doing hair all these years. And so I just love to share some of my knowledge and things that I have learned throughout my years. And a little bit about me is I love my family. My family is my world. I have 5 children. I have 2 daughter-in-laws and 1 grandbaby that is 9 months old. I love them with all my heart. I have an amazing husband that is my best friend for many years. And so I just feel very blessed and want you guys to be a part of my journey and just know the things that I love and the things that I love to do. Now, I did go to a hair school. It was Bon Losi in Provo, if any of you know that, and it was an amazing school. And I have met many friends through that school. One, Lisa Reynolds, she is my best friend from hair school, and we have stayed in touch these 26 years, and we still are super good friends. And she actually named one of her sons after my son, and I named my son after her nephew. So it's super special. There's some fun, exciting things that have come through my career. If you have watched some of my videos, I hope that it has helped you. Welcome to my home, by the way. I wanted to do a video in here so you could just feel my warmth and love for you guys, and just I love life, and I just wanted you guys to be a part of that. So I love to do hair, like I said, first off because I have a passion for it, and still after 26 years of doing it, I'm obsessed. I love it, and love to make people feel better. The other reason I love it so much is through all of my 5 kids, I have got to go to all of their sporting events, all of their school events, just everything, because I've had supportive clients. Gosh, I'm gonna get emotional. I have had true support through all of these years, and I wouldn't be where I'm at without my clients. So I am very passionate for them. And they've watched all my kids grow up. It's incredible watching from the babies up to them getting married. My clients are right there supporting me, and we are like a family and best friends. And so that's another reason why I love doing hair, is my clients are super special to me. So being able to be with my kids and do the things that they love and not miss out on those things, I have been very blessed to be able to do that. So that is another huge thing. So support, that's what it's all about. Family, friends, no matter if it's doing hair for this long or whatever, I just recommend supporting everyone, supporting your family and your friends and other small town businesses, whatever you can do to support your kids. I just feel like if we step up our game, and love is huge. Love goes a long way, and my clients have shown me love, and whether it's dropping lunch into me or bringing a drink when they come to get their hair done, or I'm gonna get emotional. When I went through my back surgery, them stopping by and bringing me dinner and supporting me at my hardest time, in my life. It's been super special. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this, but I just love and have the passion for all my clients and for all of you, and for your support and the love that you have shown me. And the people, whether it has my clients that have supported me from day one through all these years, or if you've flown in to get your hair done, I literally thank you from the bottom of my heart. I do. I love all of you dearly. It's so exciting. I have a gal flying in from Florida this Friday to get her hair done, and I'm excited to meet her and her daughter. and just meeting new people through this YouTube has been incredible. And I just love all of you. Like I said, my clients from day one, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like, you guys are my best friends, and I appreciate that more than you know. And my family appreciates your support. You have let me do things for them because of you, and I just really, really appreciate it. So that's just a little rundown of Radonna and my family. My kids and husband are my world. They are the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I'm grateful for great parents and the way they have raised and loved me. And I have a lot of love in my heart, and I just love and appreciate all of you. And I hope this was kind of fun to just have a little rundown of who I am and what I do and my passion for what I do. And it's been hair. It was fun in high school. I used to do it, on my mom's porch. Funny thing, my husband, we were just best friends all growing up. We never dated, but I would cut his hair out on my mom's porch during high school because I thought I knew what I was doing. I just kind of faked it, I guess. I didn't know what I was doing, but it was fun. So good memories like that. I loved hair forever, and it's just fun stories that go clear back. But anyway, I love you all. Thank you so much for your support. I truly am amazed by all of you and all my clients, my family, not only my family, my husband's family. Like, I just love all of you out there. So thanks again, and we will chat next time. See ya.